Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive straight into setting up a real estate property tracking system in Airtable, your 2025 guide to property management efficiency. First off, log into your Airtable account. This is where all your property data will be stored, organized, and managed. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. It's easy and quick. This step is crucial because Airtable is a powerful tool that can help you track all your real estate properties in one place. Now that we're logged in, let's create a new base. Click on the plus icon on the top right corner of your dashboard. We create a new base because this is where we will input, store, and manage all our property data. Next, let's rename the base to Real Estate Property Tracker. This helps us because it makes identification easier when dealing with multiple bases. To do this, click on Untitled Base and a drop-down will appear. Choose Rename Base and type in Real Estate Property Tracker. The next step is to structure our base. We will add fields for property name, location, purchase price, current value, and rental income. The reason we do this is to have all the critical information we need about each property at our fingertips. Now, let's input some data. Click on the first cell under Property Name and type in a property's name. Repeat for location, purchase price, and so forth. The beauty of Airtable is that it's not just a spreadsheet, it's a database. So every cell in your table is rich and dynamic, with links to records in other tables, attachments, checkboxes, and more. Moving on, let's create views. Views are different ways of looking at your data, and they're fantastic for keeping things organized. You can create a grid view, a calendar view, or a gallery view, depending on your needs. This helps us to sort and filter our properties based on different criteria, like location or value. Finally, we can set up automations. These are like your personal assistant, notifying you of due dates, changes in property values, or when it's time to revisit a property lease. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is constantly tracking your data and alerts you when something needs your attention. And there we have it. You've just set up a real estate property tracker in Airtable. Keep exploring and customizing it to suit your needs. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.